Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will be doing a fire alarm collection of 2024. Wow, this year went by fast. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the collection. So right here we have a Silent Night 2224 panel. My MS2 is in the basement like usual. And right next to it is a Silent Night T-bar. Go ahead and pull that. Alright. And then right next to the Silent Night T-bar, we have a Silent Night BG12, Notifier BG12, Notifier BG10, and Notifier BG10 without the key. One is with the key, one is without the key. This one's addressable, this one's conventional. Conventional single action T-bar, conventional dual action T-bar, addressable dual action T-bar, Simplex Truler Smart Sync Horn Strobe. The model number is 4903-9429. This one is a Smart Sync and free run Truler Horn Strobe. Model number is 4903-9426. This one is a Simplex Truler Remote Strobe, Smart Sync only, 4906-9101. And right here we have Simplex. And the model number is 4904-9137 Remote Strobe. Simplex 4903-9252 Electronic Horn Strobe. Simplex 4903-9219 Mechanical Horn Strobe. Simplex 2901-9838 horn on the strobe plate. System sensor mass. 2 system sensor classic speaker strobes. 1 system sensor classic horn strobe in white. First, this one here I think is the third gen. The other one is the second gen. Actually, no, this is the second. The white one's the second gen. The red one here is the first gen, a very first gen. This one here is a System Sensor Classic third gen. System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced first gen. 2 System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced remote strobes. I forgot what gen they are. System Sensor SW with blue strobe lens. By the way, those 2 remote strobes are SRs. System Sensor P2WK. It's a weatherproof advance. System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced speaker strobe alert with a yellow strobe. System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced ceiling mount horn strobe. This is the first gen too. It's a PC2W. System Sensor L series HWL low frequency sounder. System Sensor P2WL horn strobe. System Sensor P2RL horn strobe. System Sensor SRL remote strobe without fire lettering. System Sensor LEDL series. And a Gentex GMS, a white Gentex SHG, Gentex GOS, Gentex Commander 3, Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe, Wheelock AH remote horn, Wheelock AS horn strobe, but the strobe is broken, Wheelock AS WP horn strobe, Wheelock AS horn strobe, ceiling mount, multi-candela. Another Wheelock AS horn strobe, ceiling mount, also multi-candela in white. Wheelock AS wall mount. The strobe is broken. It's also multi-candela. The reason why it broke is I dropped it down the stairs, unfortunately. Yeah, it sucks. Wheelock NS multi-candela, and another Wheelock NS multi-candela. Wheelock RSS multi-candela, Wheelock ZNS with a broken strobe, Wheelock ZRS remote strobe, Wheelock CH90, chime is broken unfortunately, Wheelock CH70, chime strobe, Wheelock Exceeder horn strobe, Wheelock 7002T, Wheelock MT with the LSM strobe, Siemens T-bar dual action, not T-bar, Siemens pull station T-bar, Siemens pull station dual action. Let's go ahead and pull it. All right. Then we have a Siemens UHN S17 horn strobe, Siemens U-HNH-MCSW mechanical horn strobe in white, pretty rare. Siemens U-EC-MCS chime strobe, Siemens UMHU horn strobe, Siemens ZNS. It's a Wheelock ZNS, but it's rebranded by Siemens. Siemens LED Exceeder speaker strobe. It's also Wheelock, but Siemens rebranded it. And a Faraday mechanical horn strobe. Now Edwards. We have here an Edwards 270 SPO, Edwards Genesis horn strobe, Edwards Genesis remote strobe, System Sensor 2100 series smoke detector, System Sensor i3 smoke detector, Kitty ionization smoke detector. I took the battery out. I almost forgot, yeah, because the battery was already dying. But here we have a smoke detector. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's a Kitty. Yeah, something like that. I forgot. Kitty smoke and carbon monoxide detector. I think this one doesn't work. Kitty smoke only detector. This one also doesn't work. Oh, there it goes. Another Kitty smoke detector. No, it's actually Family Guard smoke detector. Also doesn't work. First Alert smoke detector. Doesn't work either. First Alert carbon monoxide detector. It's an old one too. Kitty carbon monoxide detector. Another Kitty carbon monoxide detector. It doesn't work because it has no batteries. I don't think this thing even works at all. And here we have an Nexus sign with LED emergency lights. It's the newer version. And yeah, that was the fire alarm collection of 2024. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And also, have a happy new year. Peace out.